हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल EHS नॉलेज। आज हम NFPA डायमंड के बारे में जानकारी लेने वाले हैं। तो चलो हम वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। सो व्हाट इज़ NFPA डायमंड? द NFPA डायमंड और NFPA 704 डायमंड और फायर डायमंड is a standardized 4-color diamond shaped label designed for quick hazard identification of materials by emergency responders, firefighters or workers. It rates hazards from 0 to 4. Means 0 means least hazard and 4 means most hazardous or severe. Across 3 categories, that is red for flammability, blue for health and yellow for reactivity. White section for special hazards like oxidizers or use no water. So friends, आसान तरीके से बात करना है तो this is a NFPA diamonds. There are 4 colors used, that is a blue for health, red for flammability and yellow for reactivity. And this is a white colored section which is used for special instructions or special hazards. So we will go in details one by one. So friends, we will see first color code. So red color is used for flammability, then yellow color is used for reactivity, and blue color is used for health hazards, and white color is used for special instructions or special hazards. So combination of these all 4 colors, when combined together, it forms as NFPA diamonds. So we will go to next. So now we see about NFPA ratings or how NFPA rating is used. यानी कि NFPA रेटिंग कैसे दिया जाता है, इसके बारे में हम अधिकम जानकारी लेने वाले हैं। पहले हम देखेंगे फ्लेमेबिलिटी हजार्ड्स. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फ्लैश पॉइंट्स. सो हियर यू कैन सी 0 to 4 numbering is used. It is not beyond the 4 or it is only between the 0 to 4. So here already it is written as 0 in red section. That means flammability is 0 or it will not burn. Meaning of this section is this flammability hazards is 0 or negligible. So 0 is will not burn. Now when there is a one figure used in this section, at that time we have to judge as this material must be preheated to burn or flash point should be above 200 Fahrenheit. Means इसको जलने के लिए उसको प्रीहीट करना पड़ता है और उसका टेम्परेचर 200 Fahrenheit के अबव होना चाहिए. Now second, if there is a second figure used in this section, then meaning of this is it ignites when moderately heated and flash point is below 200 Fahrenheit. Means इसका फ्लैश पॉइंट below 200 Fahrenheit होना चाहिए and उसको moderate heat देना चाहिए, तब this material will ignite. Now third means when there is a 3 mentioned in this section, at that times we have to judge that material will ignite at ambient temperature. That means below 100 Fahrenheit. यानी कि ये मटेरियल एम्बिएंट टेम्परेचर को इग्नाइट हो सकता है एंड इसका टेम्परेचर इज बिलो 100 Fahrenheit. नाउ लास्ट digit is 4. When 4 is mentioned in this section, at that times we have to judge that this is a flammable material liquid or it is a volatile liquid and it will burn immediately and flash point is below 73 Fahrenheit. Now we'll go to next section, which is called as reactivity hazards or instability hazard. Now in this section, when there is a zero, that means it is a normally stable. ये मटेरियल स्टेबल रहेगा, इसमें रिएक्शन नहीं आएगा. When there is a 1, then we have to judge that it material will normally stable but it became unstable if heated. अगर उसको हीटिंग करते हैं तब ये अनस्टेबल बन जाता है. Now when there is a 2, that means this material is violent chemical change at high temperature and pressure. इसमें violent chemical changes आपको नज़र आएंगे when there is a high temperature and pressure. Third means this material will explode at high temperature or shock. ये material explode हो सकता है at high temperature. And last one, that is called as 4. When there is a 4 in this section, that means we have to judge that this material will explode at normal temperature and pressures. That means this material is highly explosive. So meaning of the rating आपको पता होना चाहिए, and this rating is from 0 to 4 only, या 0 से 4 तक उसका मेंशन किया हुआ रहता है. Now we'll go to next. Now next is about health hazards. Health hazards means blue color. So इसमें 0 to 4 यूज़ किया होता है. तो इसमें 0 मतलब क्या है? 0 मीन्स नॉर्मल मटेरियल. इसमें आपको बॉडी पर या आपके शरीर पर कोई असर नहीं पड़ता है. सो 1, व्हेन देयर इज़ ए 1, इट इज़ स्लाइटली हजार्डस मटेरियल. ये थोड़ा सा हजार्डस मटेरियल हो सकता है. व्हेन देयर इज़ ए 2, दैट मीन्स स्ट्रेट वे इट इज़ ए हजार्डस मटेरियल. अगर इसमें 2 लिखा है तो आप समझ जाना चाहिए कि ये हजार्डस मटेरियल है. व्हेन देयर इज़ ए 3, इट इज़ ए एक्सट्रीम डेंजर. ये आपको घातक रहेगा, ये आपके शरीर पर वो असर कर सकता है. एंड व्हेन देयर इज़ अ 4, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ डेडली, या उसको सडन डेथ या मौत आ सकती है. सो व्हेन देयर इज़ अ 4, ऑलरेडी एग्जाम्पल इज़ गिवन in blue color, that is 4 is mentioned, means this material is highly hazardous, और उसको बोलते हैं IDLH, immediately dangerous to health and life. So इस तरीके से आपको ऐसे NFPA लेवल को पढ़ना है या समझना है. And last section is white section called as specific hazards या स्पेशल इंस्ट्रक्शंस या स्पेसिफिक इंस्ट्रक्शन इसमें दिया जाता है. तो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इमेजेस और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लेटर्स ऐसे दिया जाता है. दैट मीन्स व्हेन देयर इज़ अ OX, वी हैव टू जज एज ऑक्सीडाइजर. व्हेन देयर इज़ अ ACID, दैट मीन्स दिस मटेरियल इज एसिड. व्हेन देयर इज़ अ ALK, दैट मीन्स मटेरियल इज अल्कली. व्हेन देयर इज़ अ COR, दिस मटेरियल इज corrosive. When there is a SA, that means this material is simple asphyxiation. When there is a W with a cross line, then we have to judge that we should not put water on this material, otherwise highly reaction will occur. And when there is a this type of symbol, means this material is having radiation hazards. So likewise we can judge which type of material is or how hazard the material is which we are handling. So इसी तरीके से ये लेबलिंग रहेंगे. तो एट ए ग्लांस एनी फायर फाइटर्स या एमरजेंसी रिस्पॉन्डर्स या अपना रेस्क्यू टीम और वर्कर्स विल हैव टू जज दैट which type of material and how much hazardous this material is. Now next is about application of NFPA diamonds. ये जो डायमंड बनाया है, बेसिकली दिस इज़ US बेस्ड डायमंड. NFPA is called as National Fire Protection Associations. So इनके माध्यम से ये डायमंड बनाया है, डिज़ाइन किया है, और दिस इज़ यूनिवर्सल. इट इज़ यूज एवरीवेयर, or especially on the storage tanks, or when there is a hazardous material is stored, or basically in tank farms, especially in refineries, such type of tanks are installed to keep the flammable liquids or any type of chemicals. Then such type of labels we can see on the barrels or containers, or when these chemical tankers are moving, on these tankers also we can see such type of NFPA labels. And another important thing is that we can see also such type of labels mentioned in the MSDS, that is called as material safety data sheet. So friends, the NFPA diamond is usually placed on chemical storage tanks, containers, building entrance where hazardous material are stored or used. It is also used in MSDS to indicate the hazardous nature of material. So we will see the next examples. Here it is shown, the first one is the sulfuric acid. The NFPA 704 label, which is a 704 diamond, is used to show the chemical hazards quickly for sulfuric acid. The typical NFPA rating is, here is mentioned in blue section 3, means this will cause serious or permanent injury or severe burn to skin and eyes. In flammability it is mentioned as 0, means this material will not burn. Reactivity, that is yellow sections, it is mentioned as 2, means this material or this is a violent chemical change possible and which reacts strongly with water and metal. Last section, that is the white section, where it is mentioned W with the cross line, means we should not use water. Next example is taken as gasoline. Now this NFPA 704 label for gasoline shows such type of ratings. So first one is health, that is a blue color. Here mentioned as 1, means it is a slight health hazards and may cause irritation or dizziness. Now this section, that is a red, it is mentioned as 3, means highly flammable material which ignites easily at normal temperature. So this is a highly flammable material in short. Now reactivity is mentioned as 0, means normally stable, no dangerous reactions under normal conditions. And in white section there is no any specific instruction, that means there is no any special instructions for this chemical. So friends, मेरे ख्याल से ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आएगा. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, ताकि हम नई नई वीडियो आपके लिए लेके आ सकते हैं. जय हिंद, जय सुरक्षा.